Come on. Let's do it. Get to it. Let's do it.
Oh, yeah.
Even though it's so tiring, I feel so much better after.
Make sure you're well rested. Wait for an hour after you've eaten, take a drink and a blue inhaler if you're using one. And perhaps go with someone else for support until you feel more confident.
Right there, come on. Good boy. I have my little dog. I take him for a walk whenever possible, even if it is just round and round the green.
For exercise to be useful, you need to increase your breathlessness. If 0 is no breathlessness at all and 10 is maximum breathlessness, you want to be between 3 and 5. That's between moderate and severe. If you get chest pain, you feel dizzy or sick, you get the shivers, you start to feel confused or get a headache, if you start to get so breathless that you can't talk or you're overcome by tiredness, then rest. That's why it's a good idea to go with a sensible friend to help you work out what's a normal reaction and what's your body shouting, "Stop, I need to lie down."
If he's done something physically now, he can't do anything and he's really gasping for breath. That's frightening, but I've learned to stand back because he gets annoyed if I fuss. So it's best I listen from the back and I think, right, yes, he's okay.
Oh, I've got to sit down now. As I'm coming back to normal now, you notice that I breathe in through my nose, which is supposed to be doing, deeply, and I hold it in and then blow it out. Same thing all the time. I'm not letting, not the stomach out like that. Your stomach's supposed to be up there. So it's just going up into your chest. It's getting easier now, and there we are. Another minute and I'll be okay then. Back to normal again. And then I go for another walk.
Anything you do will help, really, anything. The aim is 3 times a week for half an hour or so. It might not all be in one hit. You can break it down into short walks or whatever. Good luck. This could be the beginning of a new phase of your life, where you start to take control of your fitness and your health, instead of it being in charge of you.